Bonjour tout le monde. Just a quick update for me this week because I've been doing basically the same things that I was doing the week before. I have been watching Lamont on Netflix and creating a ton of links. I think one lesson, so one episode, gets me in the region of 200 links. So my statistics are looking pretty good. It's a really disturbing show. If you haven't seen it, I don't want to ruin it for you, but I will just mention there's a scene with a man in a washing machine, and I watch a lot of dark stuff, but this for some reason was so anxiety inducing for me. It was kind of difficult to watch. It's a great show. I recommend it. I also, this week, two great things happened. I reached 4,000 known words and I completed the 90-day hardcore French challenge, which I started in January, so that's good. I just, as you can see though, squeaked in terms of listening hours. It's always going to be a struggle for me, especially at this stage. I know that. I'm ranked 13, unlucky for some. I'll take it. I just signed up for the April Hardcore French Challenge, so that will take me through April, May, June. I think for this whole year, I'm just going to keep joining challenges. It's a great way of keeping me on track with my studying. And that's really what I've been up to this week, watching Lamont, listening to the Inner French podcast and the Ballade podcast. I will link them in the description. They're both excellent for intermediate learners. I've also been trying to read 1 to 3, usually, news stories at night. So no listening involved there, just reading and linking. And I'm finding, as you can imagine, everything in the news is COVID related, and that is what I read. Maybe I should read that before bed, but I do. I'm finding with this whole language learning journey with French, it's helping me in that it is something that I can control. I don't know if you guys find the same. There's so much that isn't under our control right now, and there's so much that we can do absolutely nothing about. So I can control my language learning. I can control my study. I can do this for myself. So I'm finding it helpful right now, and I hope you guys are as well. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next Friday.